Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're going to be talking about how to fix a scratched lens on a GoPro.
Okay, so here it is. This is the GoPro Hero5 Black. I scratched the lens on a recent trip to Tallulah Gorge. When one of the rapids, I fell down and scratched the lens, and then afterwards it was no longer a clear shot, so I have to replace the lens with this. This came in the mail just a few days ago. Lucky to find a replacement lens, but it's pretty easy fix. This thing pops off, this thing pops on, and you're good to go. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step, you're going to have to take the lens off. You're going to want to pull up on the unit and then turn to the side. Now as you can see, the lens is fully exposed, and now we need to put the replacement lens on top of this. Before we put the other lens on there, I do want to mention that this, in this current state, is not waterproof, so be careful. If you do take the lens off, do not use this underwater by any means, but you can take the lens off and keep it off if you wanted to. It's just not going to be waterproof, and you're going to have the lens fully exposed to getting scratched and won't have the opportunity to replace the lens in the future. So as you see, it has a little protective lens on that. We'll take that off in a second. Let's go ahead and remove the lens. Bring back the GoPro. Put it on at a tilt, turn, and you're good to go. And then replace the lens, or take the little lens cover off. Good as new.
All right, so that's that. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.